Hello, Healthy Bites food lovers, and welcome to my channel, Healthy Bites with Chef Pam. Today on my channel, I'll be showing you how to make spinach and chicken Alfredo sauce. But before we proceed, please remember to share this video, subscribe, and like. So let's get down to business. In a pan on low heat, pour in diced green pepper, red and yellow bell pepper, and stir until well sauteed. Pour in your clean and sliced mushroom into the pan and keep stirring until mushroom is softened. Add onions and stir, then cover the lid for some minutes. This is to allow the mushrooms, onions, and pepper to cook thoroughly. It is now time to pour in the heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. As it's bubbling, you would also notice that it's thickening. It has the tendency to thicken very quickly. So please keep stirring so it doesn't dry out. It's now time to put in the chicken. I'm using the pan-fried chicken for this recipe, but you can also use grilled or baked chicken. You can stir and add some seasoning to taste. And now it's time for us to add our spinach and stir. This meal, you can pair it with pasta, or you can also include pasta into it to make it a chicken Alfredo spinach and penne dish, If you notice it's too thick, you can add some chicken stock like I'm doing. And now the food is perfectly done. You can add more spinach based on your preference. I can tell you this is a lovely dish because it's so tasty. So please continue to share, like, and comment. Until next time, I remain Chef Pam. Bye-bye.